Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I'm going to do a makeup look with this palette today. It's from my recent Hot Topic haul. So are these earrings. My experience so far with any makeup palettes from Hot Topic is that they're not very good. They're just really not. I do have primer on my eyes, and I will set it with a setting spray, but even then, I've noticed that these makeups can still tend to get patchy throughout the day, and when you try to blend them, they tend to not want to blend because they want to just kind of disappear instead of blending. So I'm not recommending any of these Hot Topic palettes to anyone. I bought them because they were on sale and I loved the covers. I really was not, or the packaging, I really was not expecting a whole lot from the makeup itself. Alright, I'm going to go in with, so they are named, but they're named up and down this way. I'm going to go in with Elm Street, that one right here in the middle, for my transition shade. Alright, so far, no pickup in the pan. I want to do I want like more of a reddish, or do I want to get into some of these greens and stuff down here? Alright, I'm going to do this red, it's called Sweet Hills, and just use that color to, build up that crease area a little bit more. So I just went ahead and decided to cover the whole eyelid with it. Like, there's still no pickup in the pan, really. I'm having to put a ton of product on the brush to get anything to show up at all. Well, it's not going to be a surprise to anyone who knows me that I'm going to go into a black for the outer corner to build that definition and kind of give it more of a cat eye look. Oh, this is the first color that's like picking up in the pan. It doesn't look like a true black. It looks like it could be more grayish, but we'll see. Oh, no, it's pretty good. It's pretty black. Right, so this is the most pigmented color in this palette so far. And they actually put a lot more black in that spot that I wanted because I was expecting it not to be very pigmented, so I put more on my brush than I normally would have with a palette that I knew was better than this, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm going to have to blend that out a little bit here, diffuse some of that dark color, and it probably won't do anything much, but I'm going to give it a try. This shade here is kind of a reddish orange with some sparkle in it, and it's called Springwood High. Put a little bit of that on my finger and put it right there. Yeah, it didn't do much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyeliner and my blush, and I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts. Alright, there you go, guys. There is no surprise with this palette, really. I didn't expect it to be great makeup. That's just what I have been used to from Hot Topic. Yeah, I mean, I think it's not a bad look. It's just a very normal look. Nothing out of the ordinary. I think not trying to, I matched the colors on the palette cover on my face, so there's that. But there are some other interesting colors in here that I will want to play around with, like the greens and this. It's kind of a blue green, but yeah, definitely those are green. This is more of a blue green, so I will play around with this palette again. I wouldn't recommend it unless you just like cheap makeup for some reason, other than just sort of the collector factor of the cover because it looks cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!